Yes, it is I, T. Catalina, back again with another video. Let me just say thank you so much for the people who watched my first video, all the comments. Even if it's not a lot and even if it's not a lot and I didn't get that many subscribers, it's okay, because we're gonna keep working, we're gonna keep pushing, we're gonna make it. In today's video, I will be cooking. Yeah. So, and if y'all want to know what I'm gonna make, it's going to be chicken Alfredo. Why did I brain fart, bruh? Like, okay, I'll see you guys in the car. Bye.
I'm going to exit the vehicle.
Okay, I'm coming too.
Hopefully it doesn't rain.
Cause I did not bring. Yesterday we went to out to eat. If you wanna bring it, you can hold it. Cause I'm not holding it. Yesterday we went out to eat with my sisters, and it started pouring rain, storming and all. And I did not have a jacket, and we had sandals on too. And I had to run. To the restaurant from the car, and I almost slipped. You said what? So we came from Arby's after we left the store. We only get their jamochas and then some mozzarella sticks. I just did not know what it was called. I was lost.
Brain fart.
We'll see you when we're unloading the car. Right, mommy? Okay. Go like this to it. Put your hand in on the thing. Mama, like, actually touch the camera. Hello. So I'm about to start making this chicken Alfredo. Y'all, if I seem distracted during this video while I'm making it, it's because we were watching this documentary, and it got real interesting, and I almost forgot to come film this. So let me show you the ingredients I got. I got linguine el nudos. I'm sorry. I got some Parmesan cheese, 2 heads. I got the chicken. Some chicken. Some breast. What else did I get? Oh, my mom wants me to make some of the little, what is it called again? Garlic bread. So yeah. First things first, you gotta wash your hands. But I'm gonna use the bathroom and then wash my hands. Water is about to start boiling. It's hard to do this. Now we're going to open the chicken thighs. Hot water so it'll rinse whatever's in this out. Because I use it to put the chicken back on while I season it. butter in it, melt it, then put the seasoning that I want. And then I'll just put it on the bread and then put it in the oven. Drain it. My mom is kind of not the best person to film for me, but we're gonna keep it pushing. I'm gonna turn the chicken off too, and then the only thing that's really cooking still is my sauce. I'm probably gonna have to put more cheese because it's not as thick as I want it to be, and put it up just a little bit low. I turned it down because it would start to go over. I just put a whole pack of Parmesan. I mean, y'all not asking me how to cook it. Y'all just watching me cook it. Now, the bread. I'm going to slice, probably good 5 pieces out of this. So. Butter and just put it over it. So I finished buttering them all up and I got the edges and everything. I'm just gonna put them there for a good 10 minutes. So yeah. Timer. 10 minutes. Now I can drain this. We'll go check on this when we're done. I gotta clean it too. This one chicken. This is the. I'm going to put some flour in it to thicken it. It's just gonna thicken it. You see the cheese already melted. Look at the flick of the wrist. Look at the flick of the wrist. Okay. I don't want to get copyrighted, so I'm going to just sing it myself. Look at the flick of the wrist. Because I know y'all see it. Okay, back to the video. So I got my little helper over there stirring up the sauce. Because I got to keep stirring it. And I'm going to cut up the chicken. Yeah. Over seasoned, I think I did. I'm kidding. So now that everything is done, I'm gonna put it all together and I will show you the final results. So this is my mom's plate. She's going to have the first try of it. Get her reaction.
Look at this girl. She's fancy. You hear that gooey stuff? You know it's not dry. That's good.
Okay, I'm about to try it myself now. Because, you know, the chef gotta eat it. They gotta taste it. Look, like I said to multiple people, I'm multi-talented when it comes to stuff like this. Like, I'm a chef. Like, I already knew it was gonna be good. But now, hopefully this video came out right, because okay, so that's the end of this video. I finished all my food and it was good. It was really good. With a nice little drink on the side. It was super good. If you liked and enjoyed this video, please comment down below and hit the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and share this video with your friends, family, uncle, auntie, daddy, mama, your dog, your cat, and your guinea pig. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a blessed day, night, morning, afternoon, whenever you decide to watch this. And stay tuned for the next video. And it's that on that. Bye.